what is the topic of today? Okay, just wait. Yes, topic is book exercise of adjective. So open your book. Yes.
So start book exercise lesson number 3 adjectives. Okay. So start page number, open your page number 17. Yeah, in the last of this page, we read the sentence and write the highlighted adjectives. Highlighted like tall. Okay, tall. So highlighted adjectives in the correct column in the tables. So in the correct column in the tables, that follows. Where is column? Yeah. So turn the page number. So this is a column. Okay. So we have to write here a quantity, adjective of quantity, quality and demonstrative, possessive, interrogative and numbers. You know very well what is demonstrative adjective, what is quantity, adjective of quantity, adjective of quality. Okay. So you know very well. Now let's practice. So start. Yes. That is a tall tree. So tall is a quality. So quality. So this is a adjective of quality. Okay. So where is the column adjective of quality? Yes, quality. So write here tall with pencil. Okay. Don't use pen, only pencil. Quantity. So that house is ours. So that is a adjective in the sentence. So that, yes, demonstrative. So write here that. Okay. Shan is my friend. So my is possessive. Yes. I have some money with me. So some is a quantity. Some right here. Which book are you reading? Yes, question mark. And which book? So which question mark? Interrogative. So write here which. It's so simple to understand. Okay, Simran won the first prize. First is number, first, second, third. So adjective of number. So write here first. Yes. Now write in your book. Okay, tall, some, that, my, which, first. Okay, write in your book. Very good. Now next. Now open your page number 19, B portion. Okay, fill in the blanks with appropriate adjectives. You know very well these are some helping words, helping adjectives. So you have to fill here. So she picked the. Okay, she picked the first white dress she saw. Or first or white. What is right? She picked the first dress she saw. So write here first. Okay. Which or that dress will you wear tonight? So which dress? This is a question mark. So we have to write that dress. No, which. Which dress will you wear tonight? Okay. Next on some or little days. So some or little days like to wake up late. So on some days. Okay. On some days. Next, number 4. Which this film did you watch last night? Yes, which film? So write here which. So write here I walked to their or them shop to buy a watch. Yes, of course, their shop. The plumber asked that those men for help. So the plumber asked that man for help. So write here that I go for a drive in his or their car every morning. So I go for a drive in his car every morning. I started at the wooden or wood robot by window. Wooden robot. Okay. Right here. We were the last passengers or some passengers to board the train. We were the last or some. So right here, the boy fell into deep or level. Yes, deep or level ditch. So right here, yes, of course, deep. Deep means gehri. Okay, the level it is not out deep. Okay, we were the last passengers. So right here, complete this and fill your book. Fill in a book exercise. So fill it completely. So now open your page number 20. Okay, see portion. Use each or every to fill in the blanks. Each or every to fill in the blank. Fill in the blanks. Okay. So each. What is the meaning of what is use of each? We can use each for two, for one, and or two, and every more than two. Okay, more than two we use every, and for one or two we can use each. Start one. The first example. Answer is worth 5 points. Answer means a group of answers. Okay, so we can use every. So write here every. Every answer is worth 5 points. Okay, so next, second, they enjoyed minute of the film. So each minute. Each minute of the film. This magazine has a new issue every week. Every week. All students must be on time on every day. Okay, so every day. Of the two boys, each. Each of the two boys promised to complete their work quickly. Okay, so child who participate in the competition will receive a prize. So every child who participate in the competition will receive prize. Okay, so write in your book. So next lesson, D option, use the correct adjective of number from the help box to fill in the blanks. So I stood third in the race. So write here third. Yes, I stood third in the race. Next, book contained the correct answer. So, neither book contained the correct answer. Next, will either one of you help me with the project? So, write here either. Okay. Next, in the baker's dozen, there are 13. So, there are 13. So write here 13. Next, every boy was wearing a cap. Each cap had a different design. So, different design. The apple tree is laden with so many apples this year. Last year we got just a few apples. So note down in your notebook. Don't write in your notebook. Only write in book. Okay. So note down in your book. Open your next page, 21 page number. So page number 21, positive degree. There are degrees of comparison of adjective. You have learned about degrees of comparison in previous classes. Okay, so read the table that follows carefully and complete it for a quick revision. Just most adjectives of one or two syllables. Okay, syllables add er or add est. Okay, so bold, er, bolder, bolder, clever, cleverer. Okay, right here. Okay, now open your page number 25 and rearrange section C. Rearrange the adjectives in brackets in the correct order and write the sentence. Write the sentences correct. One has been done for you. Okay, corrected. One has been done for you. Means one has been done. It is complete sentence and we have to write the next sentence like this. Okay, so rearrange means in the correct order. Okay, mother is very fond of her Jaipuri new red sari. So we have to write in correct form. Mother is very fond of her new red Jaipuri sari. Okay, next, it was a Turkish beautiful square rug. So what is the correct form? It was a beautiful square Turkish rug. Okay, so right here. So it was a beautiful square Turkish rug. Okay, so write this. Yes. Next, page number 25. Okay, page number 25. Did you see those beautiful golden 5 petals? Sorry, plates. Did you see those beautiful golden 5 plates? So you have to write here in the correct order. Did you see those 5 golden plates? So did you see those 5 beautiful golden plates? So write here. So write like this. Okay. Next, I have bought a rectangular big orange lunch box. So I have bought a big rectangular orange lunch box. So write complete. Okay. Next, they decorated the card with red paper pretty leaves. So write, they decorated the card with pretty red paper leaves. Okay. So write like this. Next, the children brought a strange metallic short went from the garden. So right here, the children brought a short strange metallic went from the garden. Okay, short strange metallic went from the garden. So write here. So write completely. Okay, complete it.